Hello again, it's Sam with BlindShell. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on your BlindShell Classic mobile phone. So whenever you first get your BlindShell Classic mobile phone, you're probably going to want to connect to Wi-Fi. Or if you ever go somewhere new, a relative's house, you go somewhere for a vacation, you might want to connect to the Wi-Fi there as well. So I thought that today I would show you how easy it is to do that. Now I could get to Wi-Fi through my settings, but there's a much easier way to do that. There's a shortcut. If I simply press up on the directional pad here.
16:30, Tuesday, August 6, 2019, 1:05.
That puts me into my status menu. And if I click right on the directional pad,
Wi-Fi state, not connected, 2 of 5.
the very next option is Wi-Fi. So if I click OK, which is the center of the directional pad, that will put me into the Wi-Fi settings.
Disable Wi-Fi, 1 of 3.
The nice thing about your BlindShell Classic phone is that once you've connected to a Wi-Fi signal, it will remember that sign-in information so you don't have to put it in again. I'm going to click to the right on the directional pad here.
Network list, 2 of 3.
Here is the list of nearby Wi-Fi networks.
Connect to hidden network, 3 of 3.
Or I can connect to a hidden network. Let's go back to the network list.
Network list, 2 of 3. Scanning, we has Wi-Fi, 1 of 18.
So in my area here, there's 18 networks available. Now, of course, I can't connect to all of those. They're probably all password protected. But the one that I'm looking for is this first one, We Has Wi-Fi. That's my own Wi-Fi. But I could go through and see what other networks are available if I click to the right or left.
Crazy underscore Eddie underscore 3 points, Lubnayanas, 3 of crazy underscore Eddie crazy underscore Eddie underscore 3.05 minus 2 point. We has Wi-Fi, 1 of 18.
Apparently somebody near here is Crazy Eddie. Okay, but let's go back to what We Has Wi-Fi. I'm going to click OK on that one.
Connect to network, 1 of 3.
I can connect to that network.
Connect with WPS push button, 2 of 3.
I can connect with the WPS push button. That's a button that's on your Wi-Fi router. It makes it much easier to connect. You don't have to put in the password.
Information about network, 3 of 3.
Or I can get some information about the network. I'm going to go back and connect to this one.
Connect to network, 1 of 3.
Click OK.
Password.
Now it's asking me to put in my password, and we have a text field has opened up, and this is where it wants me to input the password.
All capital, numbers, all small. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, A, B, C.
All right, I've entered in my password, and of course I don't want anybody to see that, so I'm covering up the screen. Now I just hit the OK button.
Connecting to We Has Wi-Fi. Please wait. Wi-Fi is connected to the network We Has Wi-Fi. Network list, 2 of 3.
And you see that connecting was very fast, happened very quickly, and let me know verbally all the steps along the way. So now we are connected to the Wi-Fi. I can go back.
Wi-Fi state, connected to We Has Wi-Fi. Signal strength, 96%, 2 of 5.
And I get verbal confirmation that we are indeed connected to the Wi-Fi.
Call, 1 of 9.
So that is how to connect to the Wi-Fi on your BlindShell Classic mobile phone. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to learn more about what your phone can do, be sure to head over to our YouTube channel to see more of our tutorial videos.